In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for project management. Prezi is a dynamic tool that allows you to present your projects in a visually engaging way, which can be especially useful for team collaboration and tracking project progress. Let's dive into how you can get started with using Prezi to manage your projects more effectively. First, you'll want to log in to your Prezi account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is your home base for all things Prezi. This is where you'll find all your existing presentations and where you can start new ones. From here, click on the Create from Template button. Prezi offers a wide range of templates designed for different purposes, including project management and workflow templates. These templates are a great starting point because they are specifically structured to help you map out the various aspects of a project. Next, you'll want to add the main topic for your project. Think of this as the title or big idea behind your project. It could be the name of the project or a brief statement that captures its essence. This main topic will serve as the central anchor for the other components of your project. Following this, create subtopics for key sections of your project. These subtopics might include goals, tasks, milestones, and timelines. This structure allows you to break down the project into more manageable parts, making it easier for both you and your team to see what needs to be done at each stage. To make your project presentation more informative and visually appealing, insert charts, diagrams, and images. These elements can help illustrate your project's progress and data insights, which are crucial for keeping everyone on the same page. Visuals not only make your presentation more engaging, but also help in understanding complex information quickly. An exciting feature in Prezi is the use of zooming paths. They allow you to guide your team members through each phase of the project step by step. By setting up zooming paths, you ensure that your audience is following along with the presentation flow and not missing any crucial details. As you finalize your Prezi presentation, adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your project style. Attention to the aesthetic details can make your presentation stand out and ensure it aligns with your brand or project identity. It's those small touches that can enhance the overall professional feel of your project presentation. And that's how you use Prezi for project management. With these steps, you can create a more organized and visually engaging presentation, making it easier to communicate your project's details and progress to your team. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy creating on Prezi.